Hello, Forex traders. How are you doing? I hope you all had a great week. All right. This week I was expecting gold to be bullish because it had broken this trend line here, and then if you go to the lower time frame, you will see a retest, and then boom to the upside. But then when price got here, I saw a short move to the downside, and I thought I could take advantage of it, but it didn't end well for me at all. So this week has ended with gold being bullish, and a new support has been created with gold reaching $3,237 now. So gold is still at its all-time high. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Gold is still at its all-time high. So this is what we can see for gold. So right now, we don't know how far gold wants to go, but then as far as I'm concerned, sorry, this is where I'll be taking trades from. So this is a support region I'll be taking trades from. This is a weekly support. This is previous weekly resistance, first weekly resistance. So this also our current weekly resistance. So these are areas, key points that key turning points in the markets. So these are weekly key turning points. If you come to your daily time frame, so these are the areas you will be taking buys from in case price decides to come down. So if you go to our 1 hour, so this is what 1 hour is also for. And then if you look at this closely, you'll be able to identify some order blocks. So this is this area here. So another brochure. And earlier this week, this is where gold should have tapped into this order block and gone up, but I had an entry here and it didn't tap into it and just went up. So we'll see. So these areas are areas we should look out for buying opportunities when it comes to gold. So either here or here for buying opportunities for gold next week. All right. So now let's look at BTC. So BTC to my overall mindset for BTC was bearish because of this trend line here. So because of this trend line, I was bearish on BTC. Okay, but then they decided to lift. I wanted BTC to come to this area here, and then I take a buy from here. But this is what caused the break of structure here. So, but then they decided to lift it and it threw me off balance. So we'll see if BTC breaks this level. We'll see how far BTC wants to go with. So if this BTC breaks this level, we'll wait for it to come back for a retest, and then we'll take it to the upside. But then these are weekly time frames. So let's go to our daily. So on the daily, we see our current daily candle closing bearish, but this was our previous daily candle. So let's mark. So this is previous daily candle ended bullish. So let's mark that put. All right. And now we wait to see how this plays out. So whether price will break out of this level or will come down. We'll react to this. So let's drop down to 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, we see price testing this resistance. So there is this trend line, which is a weekly trend line, bearish trend line, and then there is this daily resistance here, previous daily resistance, and we have a double top here. So my guess, which could be as good as yours, is that BTC could drop from here to the downside. Okay, so we could see BTC dropping from here to the downside, or BTC coming to this level here and then breaking this level. So depending on how it goes, we'll see how to trade. So that will be all for now. Stay safe and remember, no money, no trade. So protect your equity at all times. Ajin Kwano Abba.